Now I'm working with that same invoice document, but I'm interested in manually capturing some information, extracting some data from the header of the PDF. What I'm interested in capturing will be, in this example, registration, colon, and then this number, the registration number. Or maybe I want to capture the notes or the ship to address. It's the same technique in either case. We're going to parse it with script. So the first thing that you need to do is to use a context function. And we're going to use the onRecord function. OnRecord is invoked with each new line of the input document. So each line is a record when we're in manual parsing mode. And then inside of the onRecord function, we'll declare a local variable to hold the value. And then we'll go ahead and load that value with the information that we want to extract. I'm going to use the target object. That's a great object. There are two big objects, target and this. Target is universal across all of the SiMX software, and this is just for text converter functions. In the target object, I'm going to use the string library, strlib, and I'm going to use the mid function. This is not like the VB script mid function. This is much more powerful. It allows me to define the information that I'm extracting using regular expressions. So I'm going to use a regular expression to define the input, and that will be field 1, the line of text. To define the beginning point, and that'll be a regular expression. We go to parsing view here so that I can easily highlight this information. And that's my regular expression for the beginning of the line. It's that explicit text. And we'll put a star after it in case there are a couple extra spaces. And then for the end of the text, the regular expression will be, let's see, space, 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 and then or, the pipe sign means or, an end of line. That's a $sign. Okay. So now I've got the information captured to the variable. And I just need to test it to make sure that it's not 0, that it's not empty. We'll just use length, that's a regular function in VB script, is greater than 0. And then we'll use the output dictionary object. And you see when I hit dot, the menu appeared. The same thing happened with the target object, the string library. And we're going to set field value. And this will be field 1. And we'll set it to V. Or skip the record. And that's part of the this object dot skip record. And that should be enough code, but let's check the syntax. You can click here to check the syntax. Didn't report any errors. So let's go ahead and take a look at the preview and see if it actually got that value. Look at that, 1777771. It extracted exactly the value that I wanted. Now with automation, I could extract this from lots and lots of documents. I could repeat this simple line of code to extract all the information from the header, and then I can set my output dictionary to connect to any kind of a database or flat file that I want. That's SiMX TextConverter, a very powerful and flexible tool for extracting data from any type of input document.